In this training video, we will discuss how to print sales report. There are 6 steps. First 3 steps is on the transaction level. Second 3 steps is on the transaction detail level. To start print sales report, okay, first of all, we're going to do this first 3 steps. First 3 steps, we go to our program, enter to this module, okay. Next, we need to select sell batch. If the transaction is on today, same day, it will be in this batch. Today I have no transaction, so it will be empty. But I go for the archive batch, current archive sell batch, which are the transaction before today. Next, I need to select specific date transactions by using this set field, and we enter the date range. In here I only have 1 day transaction, so it will be 3rd to 3rd. Then I select. So I selected 20 transaction on this date. Now to start printing, you have all this printing function in here. Printing function in here. If you have big printer, this printer will work, this one will work, this one will work. But however, if we have small printer, like post printer, all this won't work. So we need to use this function and this function. Now, if you have a post printer with 40 column, 40 column text printing, you can just directly using this function. Left click, then you have all this selection of printing report. For example, I choose number 4, date, time, customer, and total. Next, just left click go. Then you have a text report which can be printed to the post printer. Now in here I just exit. I do another one. Left click. Okay, I choose this number 6 and go. Then you have this post printer with 40 column can print this report. However, if we have post printer that is only can print 25 column, 25 column per line, then this report Rpwr doesn't work. So we need to create our own report format that with only 25 column. Now to create our text report with 25 column, okay, exit. I can right click this one, or I left click and then I click this one. Now I left click this one, left click. Okay, left click this one, it will enter to a report writer module. Report writer module. In this module, we can create our report according to the format we want. Now I'm going to exit now. Okay, I left click this again. This number 4, number 4. I'm going to create this report format, according to date, customer, and total. I'm going to give date, time 10 column, customer 5 column, and total 10 column. So total is 25. To do that, I'm going to left click this one. Left click, it enter to the report writer module, and then I'm going to start created date, time, customer, and total format. I'm going to create a new format, new report format according to the 3 column I just stated. Now to create report, first we left click new, okay, new, and then yes, and then system will start work to create a report format for you, and the title of the report is my title. Just click here, enter, then you have my title that's already in here. Next, we need to define the column to be printed. So come to here, define. In here we choose the column we want to be printed. Just now early I say that I want date, time, so I put this as sequence number 1, which is mean the column number 1. Second one is column number 2 is a customer, so I put this number 2. The third one will be the total. Now the total will be here, this one. Okay, I put in number 3. So this is the third column. After you put in the 1, 2, and 3, just left click this button and then all column we selected 1, 2, 3 we go to the bottom. Now in here we need to define each column print how many character. For example, date time column number 1, I want him to print 10 character. For the customer name I can only have 5, so 5 character, and then the total will be 10, so total is 25 column, 25 character to be printed. Next just done. This definition only do it one time, only define one time for my title. If you want to check again, my title, define, go for bottom, you can see that 1, 2, 3, and each one with its print lane. So divide by 25 character. So in here I'm done. Now to print this report, just focus on this one and then left click text. Left click text, then the system will generate a report for you according to your date time column, care, customer, and the total. This one is total is 25 column, which perfectly for post printer that with only 25 character per line. Then you can print to the post printer in here. Now in here I just exit. If you want another format report, which are maybe 2 column or 1 column, you can create another one. For this one it's already created 3 column, so you can create a new one by new, and then go for define and select the column you want, and then after you define, then you can do text printing. Now we have completed this step. Create custom report. Now if you want to print this summary information, you can just using this button. Left click this button, left click, continue, then it will generate you a report, a summary report, which perfectly for post printer with 25 column. Post printer with 25 column, you can just this print to the post printer. For this level, then we have completed this 1, 2, 3 step. 1, 2, 3 step to print this particular report. Next, we want to discuss the transaction detail report for post printer. Transaction detail report for post printer. Come to the program, I exit in here, then I come to here, then I will enter to here. Enter here, left click, wait for the system to process. Yes, so you process 20 record for the date range we selected, then it come to here in this stage. In this stage, again, same, we can use this Rpwr report writer to print our detailed report. For example, left click this one, then you have a selection of report format for you to select. In here I select number 4. Select number 4, then I left click go. I have this report. Or I select another one, I select number 1, I go left click go, then I have perfectly report for printer with 40 character. With 40 character print post printer. Now as for me, I only have a post printer with 25 character. So for this detailed report, I only need one format, which is an item, quantity sold, and total. Item, quantity sold, and total. So I will need to define a report format for myself. So first of all, I will go to view sum. View sum will give me a summary of items sold, total quantity, and the net sale of each item. So I will define a report only for this 3 field with 25 column post printer. So I will go for this Rpwr. I left click, then I click this again. So come to the report writer module. Come to the report writer module. We wait for the system to load. You come to the report writer module only for this summary item. To create new report, yes, wait for system to create my report, new report here. My 3 column. This is my report, and then I enter to the define. In here I want the item name. There will be column number 1, and then column number 2 is sell quantity. Column number 3 is sell total. So 1, 2, and 3. Click button. Yeah. Then you have 1, 2, and 3. Now next, I can only have 25 columns, so I need to have this defined. So I keep 10 column for the name, 5 column for the sell quantity, and 10 for the sell total. So total 25. After I'm done, click done. So I have my 3 column right here. Now to get the report printed, just focus on this particular report format, and then you left click text. Yeah, text, and system will generate a report for you according to the format you selected. 10 space for name, 5 for quantity, 10 space for sell total. So you have a report, sales report for this item sold in view soon. Okay, in here we exit. Okay, if you want another format, then you can create new, go for define and do text for your format. Here we are done on this detail report. We done on this detail report, mean the detail customer create report. Okay, so in here I'm done. Exit, and I exit.